Before joining the program, I was already working as a business analyst, but my main struggle was writing strong requirements and fully understanding business processes end to end. I sometimes found it challenging to break down complex workflows and translate business needs into clear, structured documentation. The program really helped strengthen those skills in a practical way. I learned how to approach process mapping more confidently, document as is and to be states, and write clearer requirements, more effective requirements that developers and stakeholders can easily understand. It also helped with my resume and interview preparation. I became much more confident speaking about my experience, structuring my answers, and clearly explaining my thought process during interviews. Since completing the program, I've seen a big improvement in my confidence and how I perform in my role. I'm more structured in my approach and I feel more equipped to handle complex business problems. I would definitely recommend this program, especially for anyone who is already in a BA role but wants to sharpen their skills and grow to the next level. It gives you practical tools you can apply immediately. Also, for anyone new coming into the business analysis ecosystem, you work on hands-on projects. You get feedback and you get advice from uh, other business analysts who are already working in the field. You get all hands-on practice as well with your project in all of the business analyst practice areas. So I would definitely, if someone wants to go into the business analysis career, Pollard Learning is your way to. I have attended different business analyst programs. I have also seen different curriculums, but it doesn't give you that much detail into the business analyst role and career. But Pollard is the only business analysis course that I have taken and I have seen other people take that has really, really given them that in-depth knowledge into being a successful business analyst. So I would definitely recommend. I have a lot of folks have recommended, this program too, and they are raving about it. So I hope you make up your mind. If not yet enrolled, to enroll. It will make a huge impact in your life. This is the beginning of your new life. So thank you.